So many leaders fail their responsibilities due to insufficient leadership skills. Mr. Emanuel, a member of AMDA, in charge of leadership, trained the people of Bwizibwera Parish in Ntungamo District about leadership skills at all levels.
In here, trying to share with our people on things concerning leadership, because leadership is very important. Leadership in family, leadership at a small Christian community, leadership at a center, leadership at a Chisomesa, leadership at a parish, and leadership at diocese. See that we have holistic leadership within amongst our Catholics. Because Catholics, you have to agree with me, we know each and everything about our faith, but our faith didn't teach us anything much about leadership. Leadership in terms of how people can lead people from one place to another.
Most leaders in rural areas face challenges of not being respected by the people they lead.
Challenges they are facing in this leadership on all levels is that people are not cooperative. They still have a problem of our people becoming of drunkards in their localities. They don't come for meetings. They don't come when the church service or mass is ended. People all run away to home. They are not. Then again, they don't have also people who can be good examples, because others get leadership and then eventually they lose it because they don't become a good example to people so that they retain that leadership. So they have so many challenges. People are not cooperative. People are jealous. You become a leader, when you change a shirt, they say, this one has then they chase you.
Emmanuel adds that leadership comes from God and it's a calling.
Leadership is a calling. If you are a leader and you know you don't have empathy to the people you are leading, then you are in the wrong position. Because the people you are leading, you are regarded as the highest. When they choose you as LC1, it means in that village you have chosen the cream. So you're supposed to put yourself at that level. You're supposed to be everything. And then you must also make sure that now you come out of all those bad things. You may think they can be embarrassing to your leadership, and also start doing things that are they are good and which are acceptable to the people you lead.
He advised all the leaders at different levels to be an example to the people they lead.
So people who are in leadership, please kindly make sure that you lead by example, and you become good in society, you become the best within the society where you are leading.
Most families face domestic violence due to financial failure, especially if the heads of the homes are not able to provide for their people.
If children know that their father is struggling, but he has failed, they will understand. But not you. People don't have school fees, but you are in a bar. They don't have school fees, you are adding another wife. They don't have school fees, you stay at home sleeping the whole day. So those ones can, but people can understand. We all grew up in poor families, but because our parents were coordinating, there was no blame game. I blame a woman is just bringing, but I've told them that please, there should be a cooperation between a man and a woman, because we have found out that women now, ladies, they come out, show the capability that they can also manage.
He thanked UCTV for the great services offered.
UCTV, we are proud of our TV because that's what we lacked as Catholics.
Story was compiled by M. Frank and Kisto Henry for UCTV.